Today, we have an explosive topic to discuss that will literally revolutionize the way you work. We're diving into the world of streamlining workflows with the power of Super Affiliate AI. Get ready to take your productivity to a whole new level. Picture this, an intelligent assistant that can boost your efficiency, save you time, and skyrocket your earnings. That's exactly what Super Affiliate AI brings to the table. This revolutionary tool combines the brilliance of artificial intelligence with affiliate marketing strategies, giving you an unstoppable advantage in the digital landscape. One of the most remarkable features of Super Affiliate AI is its ability to automate tedious tasks that consume hours of your valuable time. Imagine no longer having to manually analyze data, generate reports, or create content outlines. With just a few clicks, Super Affiliate AI does it all for you. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect keywords for your content or been unsure which offers will yield the highest commissions? Say goodbye to those struggles. Super Affiliate AI has been infused with a supercharged algorithm that deciphers the language of profit. It effortlessly identifies the most lucrative keywords, hot affiliate offers, and trending niches, providing you with real-time insights to maximize your earnings. Content creation, we know, can be a time-consuming process. But fear not. Super Affiliate AI is here to revolutionize your workflow. It assists you in crafting engaging and compelling content by generating powerful headlines, captivating introductions, and even insightful conclusions. With this tool at your side, you'll never run out of ideas or struggle to grab your audience's attention ever again. Love it or hate it, social media is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. However, managing multiple platforms and staying on top of trending content can be overwhelming. Super Affiliate AI acts as your ultimate social media sidekick, suggesting the best performing hashtags, optimal posting times, and even analyzing your competitors' strategies. It's like having a personalized social media manager 24/7. We all know that effective advertising is crucial for success in the affiliate marketing world. But fret no more, as Super Affiliate AI takes your ad campaigns to the next level. Its powerful analytics highlight the most profitable ad placements, target demographics, and ad copy that converts like crazy. Prepare to elevate your return on investment and bid adieu to wasted ad spend. Super Affiliate AI is more than just a tool, it's your trusty advisor. Based on your unique goals, it offers personalized recommendations and insights to navigate the dynamic affiliate marketing landscape. Whether it's suggesting new niches to explore, identifying potential collaborations, or keeping you updated on industry trends, Super Affiliate AI has your back. And there you have it, folks. Super Affiliate AI, the ultimate workflow streamlining assistant that will revolutionize your affiliate marketing game. With its automation, content creation support, social media mastery, and ad campaign optimization features, you'll be on the road to online success like never before. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of AI and take your affiliate marketing empire to new heights. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge tips and tricks. Keep creating and keep thriving. Thanks, and click the link in the description. Bye.